enweghị ihe ga-ekewa anyị. Ịfụnanya m, ịfụnanya m, love m, ka anyị biri n'udo, ọkwa n'ịfụnanya, ịfụnanya m, love m, enweghị ihe ga-ekewa anyị. Ịfụnanya m, ịfụnanya m, love m, ka anyị biri n'udo, ọkwa n'ịfụnanya.
Morning. Kedu?
I'm fine.
Hey,
I'm going to the market.
Oh,
I want to go there this early before it gets crowded.
Very important. Very important. I want to rush to my brother's house. My son said he wants to call him or phone him.
Where is you?
You know, because of the time difference. Let me rush before it gets dark over there.
Let me go and come back.
Go
I will see you later in the day.
Mama.
Hey! Good morning, ma.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, ma.
Cool, Eba. Chinano.
Ma?
Don't you think it's too early to start playing with a friend?
No, Mama. It's not like that, though. My mom sent me to Ogadi's house to buy abacha. So, coincidentally, I met him there. And since then, he's been gossiping to me.
Mama, it's not true. She's the one that is gossiping.
You're the one that's been gossiping to me. What are you saying? You're the gossip here, not me.
It doesn't matter who is gossiping to the other.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom.
Chinedu, what are you doing?
I'm eating now.
Hey! If I were you, Chinedu, I would have gone out there to ask questions about myself. To know exactly what is really wrong with you, because it's not ordinary. It's no more ordinary.
I don't understand, Mama. Which one is asking question about me? What have I done again?
As I was coming back from the market now, I saw your mates, your friends, out there, hustling to the farm before the sun rises. And you are here, devouring apple this early morning. Chinedu, a very big shame to you. Shame on you, Chinedu! Shame! Shame!
Mama, please. I am not my mate. I am Chinedu. My name is not my mate. Biko, point of correction, Mama. I was hungry and I took food. Can't I eat again? Oh, if you are hungry, you get food and you eat food. Which one is my mate? My mate. Every day, my mate. Is my name my mate?
Wait. So this was even the meat and fish. No. Chinedu.
If anybody likes, let he or she do whatever he or she wants.
Wait. Chinedu. What happened to all the soup in this pot?
Mami Biakwa, this small soup, the soup was even Very little self. You can barely feed a child. I had to pour water to enable me eat my fufu. Obolofa.
What are you calling small soup? Eh? The soup that is big enough to feed 3 people.
Chinedu, Mama, is it not this small soup?
What are you calling small soup? Chinedu, give it to me. Give it to me.
Mama, give me the food. Mama, stop. Mama, stop this thing.
Don't come close to me. Don't just come close to me.
Mama, stop this.
Don't come to me.
Give me this food. Mama, give me this food.
I'm not here. All you know how to do is to eat food. Eat. Don't come close to me. Don't come close to me. Don't.
I don't understand. You're not going to do anything with that soup. After all, you're just coming back from the market. Give me this soup.
I don't want to hear them from you.
What is all this now? Why always find... I don't know. Always looking for my trouble.
I'm looking for your trouble. Eh? I'm looking for your trouble, Chinedu. See the clothes you soaked for over 1 week now. Eh? See how everywhere is smelling. I've never seen such a lazy man in my entire life. Look at you. If I didn't make it. If I didn't make it. Chinedu baro weguru. I'm not here. Come and touch it now. Let me see. Get me to
Lolo. Rosie, how are you? Where are you going to this early?
Yeah, I'm going for market too.
Okay.
Where are you going to this early?
I'm going back to the house. Come.
There is something.
Come no.
Chinanu. What are you doing about the village with this boy? Is the thing not shaming you?
I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that tongues are wagging. People are talking. People are talking. So shame is catching me as your friend. So I now say, let me tell you. What are you doing with him?
Rosuketi! Rosketi! Or Ilencha!
You're shouting.
I'm shouting. Lomo. See, you see this thing I just did now? Don't ever try it again. In fact, I'm just calm because you're my friend. Don't ever try it again.
No, I'm not trying anything. I'm only talking to you because people are talking. And you know that when somebody carries bitter leaf and put it in her mouth, there is no how you will put it and not squeeze your face. So I have to just tell you the truth.
Nobody's talking. You are the one talking. You are the one talking. You're talking as if we don't see every day.
I know. But you know I love to see you every day of my life.
No, sir. Oh, yeah, go home. I'll see you in the evening.
I
will see you now.
Okay, I can't wait for you.
What are you trying to do? Eh? You're not trying to do anything. Don't turn your phone. Come and give it. Give me my
Mama,
soup. Give me. Why
you dragging?
You want to drag my soup with me? What if you make me see?
I don't understand. This is not soup.
You don't understand what? Get out, Sheba.
Give me this
Stop
food.
it. Stop it, I know.
Give me this food.
Give you what? Get out, Shimnirupo. I said get out of my face. Sit down. Don't touch my soup again. Don't touch it. And even now, look at it. What is it? What is going on?
Look at out of my sight.
Oh, no. Look at them. Talk to your brother. Talk to him. All you know how to do is to eat. Take what's easy. Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. Get out of my face. See, Mama,
everybody's telling me to shut up.
Yes, get out. Get out.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Hey!
Your body is burning up.
Hey. I'm coming, okay? I'm coming. Your body is very hot, Namji.
That was how it happened, though. Hey. I caught them before they did that rubbish. I stopped them. Madam,
you fixed them. Yes, it's you that fits them very, very well. I trust you. I'm a game. Can you imagine?
Oh, Assam.
Keep it.
Assam. Omalicha. Asamalova. Oh, thank you. Even if I don't want to lick, because it is you, I will lick it. Hey,
take this big one. Why?
I'll start from the little ones.
Okay.
Then finish. Oh, this is your carton.
This one, that one, the other one. Because I'm sitting fast.
Do you know you are very stupid?
Okay,
Oh, you can laugh. If you go near, you've seen him.
Oh, true.
Give me the store key. I want to collect something from there.
You have to go and ask Mama because she locked it herself.
I don't understand. Why would Mama lock the store?
You know, come question. Go and ask her yourself now.
Chinano.
Ogene.
Okay. Chinano, you people are really looking for my trouble in this house. You and Mama, two of you are looking for my trouble. I don't understand. I don't understand why you just lock.
Chi, they are funny. That's all you know how to do. Eat.
Don't mind him.
Children of nowadays.
Just don't mind him. Rashabo removed.
Mama, Biko, name the store key. It is locked. I want to take something from there.
Do you know you're very stupid?
How?
Is this supposed to be the greeting you should greet my friend? Or didn't you see her here? Epekam. Eforia. Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle.
Biko, name the store key, please.
Will you get out? Get out of my face. Get out.
Which one is get out again? Give me the store key now. This morning I brought out fufu and soup to eat. You took them away from me. You even fought me. I did not say anything. Now I've gone out to buy noodles for myself. I want to prepare it. Biko, I beg you in the name of God. Give me the store key. Let me take onions and pepper.
I will not give you that key. You can go to hell and burn to ashes for all I care. I will not give you that key.
You're looking for my trouble, oh.
Get out. Just get out. Mamora.
Good morning, ma. Good morning. Ma, is Chinanu at home?
Yes, she's inside.
Okay.
You can go and check.
Alright.
Hey, Nana.
Adima.
What are they so hallelujah, daughter? They are always seen together. I hope there's nothing more.
More quoi? There's nothing more. They are just friends. Mere friends. Yes, they grew up together. They schooled together. They are just childhood friends. That's all.
Because they are found everywhere together.
Don't worry yourself. I worry now. Oh? I worry now. You don't have to.
This same house. Hey.
Okay, can you get it? If you could go see four, you can now.
He's old enough to leave this village. What's up?
Let him go.
Your boy.
This is not nice. So what medications have you given him?
I just gave him one drug like that. I know it's not strong, but at least it will sustain him for the meantime. The prices of the drugs they were calling for me, they were just too high.
I know now. You don't need to complain about money now. His health is more important.
But what am I supposed to do? Nano, what am I going to do? I don't have a dime on me. I used my last card to buy him the one that I even got. I went to my uncle to give me money. He refused. What am I supposed to do?
It's okay. Stop complaining. You know? I'm coming. Oh, stop complaining.
What is going on? What are you doing?
And what does it look like I'm doing?
Has it gotten to the point of eating raw noodles?
Why won't you get to the point of eating raw noodles? When you and Mama have conspired. You people conspired and locked the store, depriving me of taking whatever I need to cook my noodles. See, one day my head go full. My head go full for this house. And what I will do to you and Mama, I will show you people madness in this house. I will show you people madness. Rubbish.
Hey.
No, please don't mind him. Don't mind him. See, take this money.
Buy him some drugs and make sure you buy fruits. You know people that are sick, they can't eat, so buy him food so you can eat very well.
Thank you so much, Nana. My love, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Start going.
Don't
mind that one. Yeah, that's how madness starts. So, imagine eating raw noodles.
This woman is just looking for my trouble. She's looking for my trouble. They say Edu has done this one, Edu has done that one. It's my money I used to buy the noodles, not... I cannot even cook what I bought. What I bought with my own money, I cannot cook it. In my own father's house. This woman.
Edum came. Hi.
See, as you are seeing me like this, I don't have time for this nonsense now. As you are seeing me like this now, I'm very, very angry. So just get out.
Edum.
Are you stupid?
My sweet banana, calm down now. Why are you not talking to me?
I said get out! I said I am not in the mood. Get out. Don't come close to me again.
What if
I'll give you a slap. Come on, get out, idiot. Don't have sense. Don't come close to me. Don't you ever try it.
Don't. Sweet banana. Edum, my black mamba. Edum, my sweet banana, be cold. Don't.
You have to take these drugs. Oh? The other ones I gave you was just to sustain you for a while and ease your pain. You have to take this one now, okay? Yes. Let me get you water.
Mosu, how did you get money to get these drugs?
Just forget about that. The most important thing is for you to take the drugs and get well. Oh?
But you've already given me something. If I take these ones, I might vomit.
Mindy, what do you mean you will vomit? You have to take your drugs so that you'll be fine. Vico, let me get water for you.
What sort of stupid dream was that? How can I dream of where I killed my own blood brother? Ha! God forbid though. Whatever that manipulated this kind of dream will never work. I reject you. Ha!
You're here. Yes, sir. What's up? I'm good. You seemed lost in thoughts. How do you feel now?
I feel a lot better. I feel good.
That's good.
See, also, I want to say a very big thank you from my heart for everything.
It's nothing now. You're my brother. Let me get you something to eat.
Oh, it's ready?
Yes, yes.
Right. Thank you.
Oh, okay, these are...
Wow. Is it because of that small thing that I said to you? That's why you are getting angry like this?
Which small thing? So all those things you said yesterday, you call it small thing? Eh? You are insulting my boyfriend in front of me and you're calling it small thing?
Oh, but at least I did not say it in your boyfriend's front. Now I did not hear. I dragged you to the corner. I said, Chinanu, what are you doing with this boy? He did not hear.
You are the one talking and you are the one observing that somebody is not hearing. Who told you if you did not hear?
Sorry now, forgive me. Forgive me now. You can do shakara because of this small thing. Fine, have you forgiven me? Smile.
Do I have a choice? This your mouth, eh? One that will use needle and thread and so you
my dear, even me, I'm tired of myself.
Thank God.
Fine girl, see your nose. Hey, I'm supposed to be living in Oyibo people. Is that land?
All this for me? Hey! How? My good friend. Thank you so much. Huh? God bless you for me. Hey!
Nothing now. I'll still bring it. Hey. I said, let me come and remind you about our deal.
I see. How can I forget? I still remember what we discussed. Okay. I will not forget. I know.
I just wanted to see you people before I leave.
Oh,
Let me be sure you people are fine.
We are fine. You did well, my dear. Yeah, thank you. Bless you. Okay, let me see you. Okay. Hey, thank you. No.
Ma. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma.
Hey, very beautiful.
Okay, Anna. Chai. How? Thank you, God bless you. Chai. I really appreciate it.
Don't worry, I know my way.
Okay. Bye bye, yo. Hey, Oriako, my good friend. Chai. I really appreciate this gift too. Hey,
Mama.
My dear.
Mama, I've been meaning to ask, why is Mommy Oriako always coming here with plenty gifts?
You are asking as if it's your first time of seeing it. She has been doing this since you were born.
Mama, this one is not likeness again. And besides, you people are always talking about deals. What deal do you have with her?
Don't worry yourself. Oriako is like a sister to me. So don't worry about the deal. It's not a bad one.
Mama, I'm very curious. I want to know the deal. I want to know.
Don't be curious. It's not a bad one. I've told you this. Don't worry yourself. Just appreciate this gift she brought to us. Huh? Let me go and keep my gift. Oh. Chai.
wait now.
Rose.
If you get shouting like that.
Rose, I'm calling you.
Leave me alone now. What is it? What?
What do you mean by what is it? When did this one start? Which kind of attitude is that one?
You're asking me when did this one start? You're asking me when did this one start? There now.
I'm talking to you, madam. Come on, stop. What is wrong with you? I'm calling you. You're doing shakara. Are you okay? What is wrong with you?
Wait, so I don't have right to do shakara. I don't have right to do shakara. You're begging somebody and you're still putting pride like Black Mamba.
Wait first. Is it because of that small thing that happened the other day?
Now.
So that's why you are giving out all this stupid, dirty attitude. You are very stupid. Rose, you don't have sense. You are very senseless. You think I'll beg you? Come on, get out.
Edu, wait now. Hey, what is it now? Edu, see. If you make a woman get angry, you're supposed to beg her. Tell her sorry, I will forgive you. Just beg me.
Me, beg you. Beg you for what?
You made me, I got angry that day. You're supposed to say.
See, let me tell you something. A man does not beg a woman.
You just tell me sorry. Just say, Rose Kate, sorry, I will forgive you now.
You are very stupid. You are so sensitive. Me, beg you.
You see why I'm calling you Black Mamba? Edu.
How many kids are you going to have?
Do you know if I want to have kids?
Why won't you?
Everybody must not have kids.
No,
even though I'm African, maybe I have a different notion or different orientation.
Everybody should. So 8 or 6.
8 or 6. Okay, 8 or 6.
Yes.
Okay, on the condition that if I carry small. I can see that you are fine now.
Yes, I am well. And all thanks to you.
What is he thanking me for?
You think I didn't know?
You don't know what?
That she gave you money for my medications.
Baby, is that what you told him?
No, I did not tell him anything.
You didn't tell me. Well, I've always known. Well, you see, thank you very much for all you do and still doing. You really make a good wife for my brother.
Aha! You see, I have a soldier right here. If you mess up with me, I'll call him one hand and you'll be arrested.
Sure. Well, we'll be waiting for the date.
See? We're already talking about how many kids we'll have, so
okay,
give us dates.
But we'll carry the children together.
I said I will give you your money now.
What is wrong with you? Bring it now.
Why are you embarrassing me?
Give me the money now.
I will give you.
Every day you see me, you cut corner. Every day you see me, you cut corner. Today, give me my money.
I don't.
Good afternoon. Your son has been owing me for 2 weeks. 2 whole weeks. Every day, don't touch me. Every day he see me, he will cut corner. Every day he see me, he cut corner for 2 weeks now. 2 whole weeks. He's owing me 1,500. Let him pay me.
Chinedu, how much are you owing her? Tell me.
Can you imagine this thing? Me, see her and cut corner. How? Just take a good look at me and look at this thing. So even if I want to owe somebody now, it will be this fool. Mama, it's just ordinary 1,500.
Oh man.
And it's not as if I don't have the money. I have the money. No, let me bring the money out.
Wait here.
Bring it out. Now. Let me bring it out.
So that you will go to Choma Jungwa. You will run away. You are normal pattern.
Me run. How?
Bring it now.
Hold on.
You have your
It's okay, just leave his clothes money here with me.
I will only leave you when I have the money in my hand.
Don't worry. It's okay.
Then you know what 1,500. Mama, this money is nothing. I have this money.
Give it to me.
Leave me.
Give it to me. Give it to me. I have.
Leave me, let me bring
I get them before no be property. Give me my money. Yes, Mama.
Just if it's Mama, you shouldn't have given her this money.
Your mother has saved you today.
I'll give you a slap now. Stupid girl.
You will come and ask me to bring another one.
Can you imagine? Just ordinary 1,500. Can you just imagine? That's why she's embarrassing me. 1,500.
Chinedu.
1,500.
No problem. Let's go. I don't know.
What if I don't have it? Hey. This girl is just an idiot. That kind of embarrassment. I hope nobody was looking.
What are you carrying in the bag?
Remove your eye. It's for my black mamba.
Enupa love.
Hey! By the way, is he inside?
That one. Does he stay in one place?
Hey.
You know, sometimes I pity you. Because by the time both of you will get married, that is how you'll be gallivanting the whole village and will always come back home late.
Nee. Is that what you wish for us? But that is why I even call him Black Mamba. You know, as a Black Mamba, you will always walk and walk and walk. But that is not a problem. By the time we get married, he will sit in the house with me.
Hey, yeah. You know, when you started talking, you said, is this what I wish for you? No, I'm telling you the reality. And you're talking about wish.
It's okay now.
Because come, let's wash.
Wash what?
Clothes now.
Nee. Take a good look at your friend. I personally wash this clothes and I'm looking good. So that when my black mama comes, you will admire me. And now you want me to come and put my hands in that dirty water. No, I cannot.
Okay, there's no problem. I know you're looking good for a black mamba. But by the time he comes back, I will tell him that that food is not well prepared and he will not eat it.
Chinanu. So somebody cannot joke with you.
I know. Sakwa, because
sure should I help you and wash
anyone, not from anywhere.
Yeah, when you come, you tell him.
Make focus on the armpit side.
Yeah, the pepper soup that I cook is very nice.
I pity you.
You tell him, yeah? Oh. Who wore this one like this now?
Because Sapu Ife.
I know you soon come back.
Oh, he's even back.
Shame on you, Chinedu. Shame unto you. Shame on you.
Mama, we are in the house already.
Stop
embarrassing me.
Yes.
Stop embarrassing me. I don't like
Shame on you. Shame unto you, Chinedu. I say shame on you. Shame on you.
I don't understand though.
You understand?
Did I beg you to pay that money for me? Did I beg you? Ayongi Biko. Biko, just stop all this insult too.
Chinedu, the day you will stop roaming around this village, owing people here and there, I will go to the church and give testimony.
Not only testimony, you give thanks.
Yes, I will only give thanksgiving.
Mama, stop this embarrassment.
It's okay.
Mama, you're Ogi Biko.
What is it?
Ask him. Joanna.
Can you imagine, no?
Black Mamba.
Can you just imagine? It's not that stupid idiot Caro that I'm owing. Just 1,500 naira. It's not as if I don't have the money to pay. I had the money with me. I even had like 5k with myself. Just that, I don't know, somehow.
So
the money fell off along the road.
She insulted you because of that one.
She insulted me.
Hey.
You can imagine that animal insulting me. So it happens that Mama was passing through that same road. So, you know, mother and son relationship. Now let me pay the money so that she will stop embarrassing my son. She now paid the 1,500. Since then, Mama has been insulting me all the way from that Anglican church to the house now. She has been embarrassing me, saying all sort of things to me. Why now? I want 5 from Kitty. If I enter that house now, I have like 30k inside. I bring it out and give her. I don't pay her double.
Calm down.
My black mamba. I know that Mama did not do it, but you're not supposed to even talk to her that way. That is very rude of you to speak to Mama that way.
Are you mad? Have you lost your senses? Who asked you to speak? Might give you blow with the grace. How dare you say that I'm rude? Who the hell do you think you are? Eh? Are you part of this family? That you put your mouth into what does not concern you? Have you lost your mind? Have I married you?
Very soon.
Very soon, Bogidia. Talk to me again and I will just land you slaps on this your stupid face. Nonsense.
I'm sorry. Sweet banana, I made pepper soup and very hot rice for you. So
come on, get out of my sight with your rubbish pepper soup. If I want pepper soup, I'll go to Eke market this thing. Eh? I will use the money and buy pepper soup.
Sweet banana, mo. My black mamba. My sugar cane, mo.
Hold away from that place.
Sweet banana, mo. Sweet banana, mo.
What is? Come on, get out of this place. What is it?
My black mamba. My honor. My honor. Sweet banana, mo. I bring you.
Oh God, shut up this nonsense you are singing. What sort of nonsense is that one?
Love. I brought you.
You've said it before, I've heard now. So what nonsense is there?
Pepper soup and hot rice.
What meat? Nah, just go straight to the point.
Goat meat and...
Are you stupid? What did I tell you the other time? Did I not tell you cow head?
Oh, cow head.
You see? That is how I will marry you and put you in my house. I will tell you to prepare stew. You end up preparing soup for me.
No, I will not. When I'm in your house.
It's something wrong with you.
No, I will not forget.
Let me even ask you. Why were you even backing up Mama self? What gave you the impetus to back her up in all those things she was saying?
I was not backing Mama up. I just have to say that, Chinanu is there so that Mama will feel very important. It is you that
come on, don't. You are even smelling self. You don't know that if you're coming to your boyfriend's house, you're supposed to take your shower and smell good.
I showered.
You showered?
I wanna wear fine clothes. Wash it very well so that you will love it.
Which fine clothes? Under this your dirty armpit and cleavages everywhere. Eh? The last time I could not even find my way because you couldn't shave well.
Shouting.
Drop the nonsense.
Sugar cane.
Drop it on the ground now. Nonsense.
Sweet banana, mo.
Where is the spoon?
Spoon.
What am I supposed to eat it with now? Where is the cold drink? Get out of this compound. Biaba, hey, come here. Get out.
Sugar cane, please.
Will you get out of this place?
Sweet banana, mo.
Why are you singing down? I said get out.
My black mamba.
If I stand up from here, you will not like me.
Sugar cane, mo.
You will not like me. You will skate. You will not like me.
I cannot live without you.
Get out of this place.
Sugar cane, mo.
Wait. Is it you are doing that one
My
with?
black mamba.
Is it me you are doing Ororo with?
No.
Leave this house.
I love you. Sugar cane, mo.
You are playing with me.
It's love.
Love is playing love. I said, come on.
Yes. Sugar cane, black
hey!
Sugar cane, mo. My black mamba.
Where Maggie?
Just take the food inside and eat it.
You know you need deliverance. 7 pigeons, Celestial Church, I swear.
When somebody is in love, it will just be like Mama.
So, what is it? What is wrong with you? Nandi, come and help us! Come and help us! Nandi, come and help us! Come on, why are you standing there like that?
I've been calling you. Food is ready. Come, let's go and eat. Let's go.
I will join you soon.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Why do I keep having this kind of dream?
Bye. Is anybody here? Hey. Bye. Ah! What? Get a kid, man. You didn't hear me?
I was in the back.
Where's your mother?
She went out.
Went out to where now? Went out to where? Kedu went out.
Is everything okay?
Hi. Switched off. Kebu went. Hey. Switched off. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey. I hope nothing bad has happened though.
Hello? Ezekwesili, can you hear me?
My black mamba, let's play I buy Gary. That game that I used to do, I buy Gary. So you pick what's your lucky number?
Okay, let me pick.
Pick
5.
Something I wanted to pick.
Okay, no problem. Let me pick 8.
8.
Yes.
Me 5.
Okay,
so I buy Gary 10 kobo. 9.
Almost just one.
So let's go again. I buy Gary 10 kobo.
I didn't do it well. Let's do it again.
Okay. I buy Gary 10 kobo. 2. I buy Gary 10 kobo. 8. Why are you laughing now?
Okay, you want to be the first, Abby?
I wanted to be the first.
No problem.
No.
Be the first.
No, Jolo.
No, be the first.
Oh, Black Mamba, you love me.
I see this one. Yeah, let's go again.
I buy Gary 10 kobo.
Let's go again.
I buy Gary 10 kobo.
I didn't do it again. Okay.
I buy Gary 10 kobo.
5. Okay, you win.
1, 2.
Okay.
Black Mamba. 3. Black Mamba. 4. See, I'm showing you love. Black Mamba. 5.
5. Okay. Let's go again.
Let's go. I buy Gary 10 kobo. 9.
Why this 9? I would have picked 9. No.
Me, I would have picked 9.
Let's go again.
I buy Gary 10 kobo.
8. Aha! 8 is my turn.
Why are you laughing wicked laugh?
Oh, sorry, I'm not laughing wicked laugh.
1, 2, 3. Black Mamba. When it was my turn, I was showing you love. I was kissing your hand. Now it's your turn. You are...
My friend, bring hand, Jare.
Ouch!
Bring hand now. Just slapped 4. It's meaning 4. 4 now. Bring hand now. Is it not the game?
Black Mamba.
It's not the game. Stop being stupid now. Is it not the game? Bring. If I do this thing again, I'll land you slap.
So
this one is not supposed to enter well. 6. Bring hand now.
I'm not playing again.
You're not doing what?
I'm not playing.
Are you mad?
When it was my turn, I show you love. Now it's your turn. You want to bring man. I'm not playing.
Is it me you're pointing finger at? Come on, my friend, sit down. Let's play this game.
Mama, I'm not going to play. Today, if you like, chance me and open your eye. I'm not scared.
Is it me you're talking to or someone else? Rose, sit. Come on, will you sit down here? Let's play this game.
Mama.
Oh, because I've been laughing with you all the while.
Sit
down here! Come and sit down here. Is it me you are trying? Come here. I said you should come here. It's like something is wrong with you. Come on, come back here. If you are doing horror with me, Abi.
Mama.
Come here.
I'm not playing.
I said you should come here.
I'm not playing.
No problem. Mama, forget about this idiot first. Mama. Earlier today, Oriako came to the house. So, yes, she asked of you. I told her you were not around. Okay. So she tried your number. It was not going through. But she sounded very angry. Very, very angry. I was trying to find out what was the matter, but she didn't talk to me.
Angry?
Oriako was angry. Yes, maybe.
She left.
Yes, maybe you should just call her on the phone to find out, or better go and see her. I don't know.
What could be the problem?
I don't know. Try and call her.
I left my phone inside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come here.
Sweet banana.
You are trying me. If I catch you,
Sweet banana. I surrender.
Come this side.
Sweet banana.
Sit down there. Sit down there.
Sweet banana.
Sit down there.
Black Mamba. Black Mamba.
Sit down there. No sense. My slap, this thing was remaining 1. Somebody cannot play game.
When somebody
come on, stretch your hand. Let me slap my last slap.
I buy.
No, it's remaining 1. Are you mad? I go slap you for face, so.
Sweet banana.
Come on.
Sweet banana.
Bring it out, nah!
My Black Mamba.
I go slap you.
My Black Mamba.
Come on. I buy.
I
buy hot amala.
9.
Yeah, let's go again. I
buy Gary 10 kobo.
8.
Oh.
Bring your hand now. Am I not 8? 8 is my lucky number. Come on. This thing has some food here.
Sweet banana.
For Google.
He said he cannot spend the rest of his life without me. And when he told me that, I had to
The good love.
I'm telling you, but not your kind of love. Welcome. Mama, I have a very wonderful news for you. Mama, Nonso asked me to marry him and I said yes.
Where did Mama be able?
I don't know. She didn't even smile. But I will find out.
Go and find out.
how far? What are we eating this afternoon?
Will you get out? Get out of my face! I said get out of here! Get out! I'm not here.
Are we not supposed to eat?
Leave, just leave here now. Get out! I don't want to see you here. Get out. Atarangota. Mama, what are you going to eat? Suddenly came on here. I'm not here. I thought you people said you are just friends. Eh?
No, Mama. How can a boy and a girl be just friends? We are lovers. That's why we are planning to get married.
Chinano, that marriage will never work. Yes.
But why, Mama?
I said it won't work because you are married to someone else. You are already married.
Mama,
so zero your mind.
I know you don't drink. If I would have asked if you drank this afternoon, how can you say I'm married?
I just told you the truth. And nothing but the truth. It won't work.
Mama, you are serious?
It won't work!
Hey! Wait. Is Mama actually serious? Because she really looks serious.
Brother! Homo! Congratulations.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
But wait, so let me ask you this question. Are you sure you're ready for marriage?
Now, if I weren't ready, would I have proposed to her? I'm ready.
Oh, voila. Let's start. You see, Chinanu is a very nice woman. And I'm very sure she will make a good wife for us and for the family.
Us, kwa. My wife.
Your wife is my wife.
No, Biko. No, go there.
Congratulations.
Thank you, darling, my brother.
So what are we going to use to celebrate this?
You know what?
Ezekwesili will be returning from Holland next week. So I said, let me come and inform you so that you prepare her for the proper marriage ceremony.
It's all right. There's no problem about it, my friend. I've been waiting for this moment, honestly.
No problem. I'll be leaving.
It's okay. Oh, it's all right.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Mama, what is going on? I'm very confused. I'm confused. What exactly is going on?
I've already told you everything you need to hear. You are married to Ezekwesili, Oriako's son who stays abroad. And your bride price has been paid. So your intending marriage to Nonso or whoever will never work. And there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Why? Why could she do such a thing to me? Is it because I don't have money? But Nano, we have plans.
That is not even the issue. She said I'm married off to someone. I don't know.
You can't be, no.
Okay, this is it. She told me that my dowry was paid when I was just a little girl. I don't understand that. Where is that even being done?
Is that even possible?
I have no idea.
No, please. I can't lose you. I can't.
Mama, you have to return whatever dowry you collected on my head. Mama, how can you do something like that? Someone I don't even know? Someone I've never met all my life?
Chinano, I cannot return any dowry. I am not a man. And your father who gave his blessings has passed on.
Let one of the elders in the family take his place. How can you and Papa conspire to take a dowry on my head when I was just a little child? Just a child!
That man in question lives in Holland. He has money. He comes from a reputable family. His mother is my very good friend, Oriako.
I don't care. I don't care to know the family he comes from. I don't want this marriage. I don't want it, Mama. I don't want it.
Shinano, listen to me. You have to disassociate yourself from that boy, Nonso, or whatever you call him. You can't violate the tradition. That is just the point.
Mama, violate Meow. I will violate it though. I will violate it. I don't marry someone I don't know.
Do it. Let me see you.
I cannot do that.
Okay. Move on. Mama, I got man on your
Look, Noso. If truly they have done what they said, then you have to leave her. Yes.
Leave who? Nnamdi, what are you even saying? That I should leave the love of my life? You don't know the feelings I have for Chinanu.
So tell me, do you want to start dragging her daughter with her?
Nnamdi, do you? I will drag this one. I am going to drag it. You don't know the feelings I have for Chinanu. Well, I don't expect you to understand. You've never been in love, so you don't know how it feels to be deep in love with someone. Where is that even done? How can you marry off someone as a child? Who does that?
But this is tradition. This has to do with tradition. Look, my brother, I will advise you to let this slide. Let this slide, no matter how pained you are.
No, Nnamdi, I will not do it. I will not leave the love of my life for anyone. I will not.
No, so we are talking about tradition.
Kate, have you ever heard that someone's dowry was paid as a child?
Me, it is not funny. Although it sounds like a joke, but I have never heard of it. Never.
My mother must be joking because I must marry Nonso, and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
See, I'm only trying to suggest I'm just thinking, because from what your mother said, she said that the man in question lives abroad. It's just me suggesting, Bikokwa. And don't you think that you should at least try and...
Think what?
I'm only suggesting.
Think what, Rose Kate? Suggest your head. You see this sock-away pit you want to open now? Don't even try to open it because you smell terribly. You are just suggesting. It's okay. Now I understand. So you want to tell me if someone comes from abroad, you abandon my brother just because the person is not staying here, ba?
Don't my black mamba. For what? Don't even think it that way. I'm only suggesting that, okay, think of this thing this way and see whether it will come out well.
Rose Kate, I know you very well. And I know what you mean. Rose Kate! Sorry.
Love mo, kaibili nudo, okwani ifunanya mo, love mo, ewegi yege kiwani, ifunanya mo, love mo, kaibili nudo, okwani ifunanya.
Don't worry. I will work very hard. I will even work harder when we get married.
But you know I'm not complaining. I know you're saying all this because you think that I might leave you because you don't have money. That's a lie. I cannot leave you for anything. And I will support you all the way.
Yeah, thank you so much. Once we get married, we're leaving this village. I don't want us to remain in this village. We'll go to the city.
You will go to the city? But where do you know in the city that we'll go?
At least I have a distant aunt that lives in Lagos. We'll go to Lagos. Or you don't want us to go to Lagos?
I want us to go at least. We'll leave this environment. Yeah, I want us to go.
I love you so much.
I love you much more.
Okay.
I'll finish it though. I'll finish your own. I'll finish your own.
What I'm giving you.
Oh, that's cheating.
Ifunanya mo, love mo. Enweghị ihe ga-esere anyị ifunanya mo, oh love mo. Anyị ga-ebi n'udo n'ime ifunanya me, love mo. Enweghị ihe ga-ekewa anyị ifunanya mo, oh love mo. Anyị ga-ebi n'udo ọkwa ifunanya mo.
I will never allow anyone take you away from me.
We'll not even allow it. We'll never let them. Promise.
Ifunanya mo, love mo. Enweghị ihe ga-ekewa anyị ifunanya mo, love mo. Ka anyị bili n'udo.
Do not say I did not warn you. Stay away from my daughter. Stay away from her. She is married to someone else. I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from her.
Alpha, this is the last portion of food though, so let's eat. Take. Don't you like the food? Take now, there's no time. Let's eat this thing, I beg. Chinano. What is wrong with this one again? See, Chinano, I'm not in for this your drama. If you don't eat this food, you'll starve until Mama cooks another food. For now, this is the last portion of food in this house. And she said, I must eat the food with you. I don't want a situation whereby she will come back now and said, why did I eat it alone? Take spoon. Take spoon. Are you not hungry? Okay. They said silence means yes, that you will not eat the food. Just say it, let me go. Chinano, are you eating the food or not? No. Okay. Since you said no, nah. Go. Some food, go.
I don't know what to do. My mother is actually very, very serious about this. What do we do?
Let's run away. Yes, let's run away from this village.
Okay, but if we run away, where do we run to?
I'll figure out a place. But please, don't leave me and marry someone else. I don't think I'm going to survive it if you leave me.
How can you say something like that? You know I can never leave you for anybody. And that's why I bought your idea. We'll run away.
Thank you.
Love you so much. Thank you.
Who is that?
afternoon, ma.
My dear. Yes, what can I do for you?
Ma, I want to tell you. There's something I want to tell you, ma.
Okay.
Okay.
Oriaku, my friend, you don't have to worry yourself. Yes, she's not running anywhere. She's not going anywhere. Don't worry. I said don't worry. I will fix it. Okay. Ngwanu, oh. Hi. Chinanu will not kill me. What is really wrong with this girl? Chinanu. Hey! Chinanu!
I was informed that you are trying to elope with my son's wife. I hope you know the consequences.
I am not leaving my love for anyone. I am ready to fight with the last drop of my blood to ensure she goes nowhere. How can you pay someone's bride price without her consent? Listen, she's in love with someone else and that is me.
I see.
Please, ma, please forgive my brother. He does not know what he's doing. Please, ma.
I've heard a lot about that, your brother. That he has a mind of his own. He does whatever he likes. But I am the one who will stop him. And I'll use you to achieve that.
Sima, please. I promise to talk to him when I get home.
No. It's not about talking to him. You don't need to talk to him. Listen, I love my happiness. I want you to silence him.
So, how do you mean, ma?
Kill him.
What? I should kill my own brother?
I'll give you 5 million naira.
Sima, there's no amount of money you will give me that will make me take the life of my own brother. My own blood brother. It is not possible. I'm sorry.
What's your problem? He is not even your blood brother. He's just your stepbrother. Alright. I've heard. What about this? A video of you raping a small girl. You're from this village, you know the implication. You know that the penalty is death. So which do you prefer? To collect your 5 million and leave, or to die, or kill him?
So this is the reason behind those weird dreams I keep having. Wow. It is now becoming clearer and clearer.
What are you doing? Are you okay? I'm fine. I'm just here receiving fresh air.
Okay. I wanted to tell you that Chinano and I will be leaving for the city in 2 days.
What? What did you say?
We both made up our mind to leave this village. So I came to tell you. I'm coming. Let me get.
Are you being serious?
Yes. Let me get something. I'm coming.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? Why are you walking all alone under this hot sun?
Bros, what is it?
You're so beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
What are you carrying? Is that some ass?
Do you know them?
No. Who are you talking to? Are you talking to someone?
Are you mad?
Baby, let me see.
Bros, who are you?
Bro! Yeah! Oh, that's a man.
What's the meaning of this now?
That's a man.
And they ask you, do you know these people? Then why are you smiling and you
Stop! Stop it!
Baby, come. I'll take you places you'll see on TV. Come here.
He said he would take me
I will
places.
slap you if I slap. Come on, we'll get out of this place.
Who are you talking to? Are you talking to anybody?
Bro, did you see that?
Did you see that? What is happening here?
Come here.
What is happening here? This is World War II.
Bro.
World War III.
I like that booty, bro. Come on.
See, he said he would take me places I only see on TV.
Come on, keep going. He stopped here. You are just smiling. You are just smiling all over him. Are you mad? Nonsense.
Why are you walking alone under the sun?
Come on, let's give you a lift.
Mama. Yes, Mama.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I am home, Mama.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I am home.
Welcome back, son.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, welcome.
Oh.
I know.
My fatherland.
I know. Welcome, son.
Thank you, Mama.
Yo, mama.
Emidon.
How are you?
Yay, this must be your mama, yeah.
Emidon. My mama. Yeah,
I
do
go by the
something
name
for Mama.
Don. Hardcore. Just like this, I know the Don. I got a crush. Her name is Celine Dion. If you check my ticket, you see that I just came back from London, bro. Mama, you be having all of this, mama.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you know we used to do slide from California, so yeah, that's so mama.
Hey,
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah.
You should have told me.
Oh, wanted it to be a surprise, Mama. Yeah, we good, we good. So good to be home, right?
Yeah, feel good, African. You're the man of the year.
Yeah.
Aka, you're the man of the year. You're like that shit.
Damn.
That's my African beauty right there.
That's some ass. Mama, that's some ass. Oh, Mama, I missed you, Mama. Missed you.
Damn. Feels good in Africa.
Let's go, sir.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Let's go, sir.
You don't want sticky. And I just give you only barely. What?
Thank God. How? I'm so happy. Ihe ọma na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m akwụkwọ. Ihe mbụ n'obi na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m edemede. No. Congratulations. Your husband just arrived the village. He came back from Holland to this village. No. Chinan, Inozikwe? Ihe ọma na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m akwụkwọ. Ihe mbụ n'obi na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m edemede. No. Ọ gịnị na-eme? Chinanu. I said your husband just arrived the village. Are you not happy? Very soon your husband will come and take you. Oh, ihe ọ bụ. Hey! Olise ekene. Chineke ekene dịrị gị. Thank God. I thank God. Hey! Ihe ọma na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m akwụkwọ. Ihe mbụ n'obi na-emere m ọ dị ka ndegarachi m edemede. Oh! Olisa.
Damn, like seriously? Every doll, African food is the best.
Anytime, any day, yo. Man, that was good, bro.
That was lit. Sincerely, I've been missing.
Yo, you know, what's up, man? Man, it's good to be home, man.
It's good
Though
to be
it's
home.
scorching the heart, yeah, but it's cool, yeah. How about going town and playing red, yeah, bro? Let's get to town, let's get the bitches, let's see the bitches, let them know that Zay is in town, bro. Let's go pan the whole place red, bro.
Yeah, that's so
you know
fucking
what's
right.
up? That's what we do,
That's
man.
so fucking right.
That's what we
You
do,
so
man.
right. Let's roll,
Hey, Zay
man.
Let's
roll, my
You're
homie.
the man of the year. Just like Akimi, you're the man of the year.
Brother to sell it,
man
John.
of the year.
Amy done.
You know that shit?
Brother to sell it, John.
Excuse me, sweetie.
And I'm gonna all right, thank you. Oh, that's so much. Oh,
That's some good.
roll this shit.
I told my mom I'm going to pull on my set in your name. She said, oh, do you want to be like Akimi? I said, yeah, when I'm married, no go let her make she kill me. They said, you want to be a mommy's boy? I said,
No,
nah,
I'm producing this one. I'm producing this one.
No, so, are you really serious about this?
Yes, so I've made all necessary arrangements. I even called Mama's sister and she promised to give us a place to stay for the meantime. Even Chinami is getting ready too.
Nigga shoot him out of top money. Nigga shoot him out of spring money. Shoot him out of
Sister, is it your best woman, sister? See now, there's one new guy. I don't know where he's from. I don't know. He's spraying money up and down there. Honestly, leave my money.
Calm down. Wait. Where's the place?
It's somewhere around that side.
Listen, wait. Are you sure these people are not ritualists?
Which one is ritual? Stay there now. Sister, come on, let's go now.
Are you away from me?
Fuck that shit! That shit!
What are you doing with those things?
Nothing, man.
What do you mean by nothing? The other time I saw you pressing your buttocks, what's going on? What have you contracted?
I didn't contract anything, man. It's just that Brother Ezekwesili hits me on my buttocks at times and it's paining me.
Where is my son?
He went out with his friend.
And you allowed him? He does not know anywhere.
Ma, I told him, but he refused.
Why did you not tell me? The same thing you did the day he returned. You allowed him go out like that. You're just very stupid.
I'm sorry, ma, but I tried stopping him, but he still refused.
Why did you not tell me? Just get out!
You have lost your mind, Abby. No, you finally lost it, Abby. You don't have shame again, right?
I'm sorry, Edu. It's my brother. I was
Will
just
you shut up your dirty mouth? Your brother did what?
He called me that.
Shut up, Jare. They talk, you won't collect. You dey Chris.
Sorry.
So you are busy going about the entire village looking for where to pick money. And it happens to be that idiot that stopped us on the road the other day and molested you in front of me because they were two that was why I kept quiet. And now you had the temerity to be following him around the village seeking for money. Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Don't you have shame? You don't have respect?
I'm sorry.
What does that guy have that I don't have? No, tell me now. What does that guy have that me do? I don't have it. What? That you chose to embarrass me because of one stupid money like that? Are you out of your mind? Something wrong with you?
Black Mamba,
Shut up your mouth before I give you slap now, idiot. Now listen to me and listen good, eh? This thing we are doing, I think I'm fed up. As it is now, I am done. Like I am done with this thing called relationship. Don't come close to me again.
My Black Mamba, I went to collect this money so that me and you will share this money.
You and who will share money? Do I look like I'm hungry? Do I look like I'm hungry? Like do I look like I don't have this money? Do I look like what do you even take me for?
It's okay.
Listen, I have this thing in quantum.
I know.
Do you understand me? I have it in quantum.
Please now, Black Mamba, give me the money first now. Black Mamba. Black Mamba.
It is done. He's dead.
I've carried the money now. Okay.
No, come and collect it now. No, come and take the money. See if I
Black Mamba, Black Mamba.
Who's your Black Mamba, idiot?
Sweet banana.
Go your house.
I am sorry.
I said go your house.
Mama, see Mama.
Chinedu, let it not be what I am thinking.
Mama, what is it? What is it again?
Chinedu, your sister has finished me.
What happened?
Chinanu is not in this house. Even her bag is not in the house. She has just left.
Left where? How?
Hey, do I know? You are asking me, do I know? Let's just go out there and look for her. Chinedu Biko, let's go and look for your sister.
How is she a small child that will be looking for her?
Hey, Timo.
Let's go and look for your sister
Biko,
now.
Please. Biko, no.
Mama.
I don't understand all these things. Yo. How? Let me go and keep my money.
Black Mamba.
Black again.
Mama, that's the name.
Hey, come, let's go. Come, Biko.
Sweet banana. Sweet banana. My Black Mamba, come, let's go and look for your sister first. Mama. Sweet banana, come, oh.
That's better before you pay.
I don't like all this thing. Huh? He said he'll be here at exactly this time. What's keeping him now? He knows we're in a hurry.
I've been calling him, but his number is switched off. What is it? What happened? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What is it? Where's Nonso? Where's Nonso? Nonso! Nonso! Why are you crying? Tell me now. Talk to me. Say something. Just anything. Say something, please. What is it?
Ifunanya mo, love mo. Enwegi yege serani ifunanya mo.
Are you giving me you police? Are you mad? No, why you wanna dance my vehicle? No, the next time you better watch it. You understand me?
Sorry, sir.
You understand me?
Sorry, sir.
Okay? Stupid.
If you want to kill yourself, get a rope and just tie yourself somewhere and...
I'm sure they're not from this village. They can't be from here. Aye. Look at the
Chinano, where did you go to with your bag?
What happened?
Chinano, talk! What is it? What happened? Chinano! I am asking you and you are keeping quiet on me. Chinano, what do you think you are doing?
Mama, I don't know why you are doing this to me. I don't know why you are doing this to me. I don't even know what you did to Nonso that made him leave me. I don't know.
Listen, Chinano, you don't have to love any other man except Ezekwesili. He is your husband and you have no choice. Oh. So you wanted to run away? Just look at what you're doing to yourself. Negodanya.
Mama, why don't you care about my happiness? Why?
Happiness Chinano, don't push me. Do not push me, Chinano. Don't try this nonsense again. Don't try it.
You know how it is, bro. You know how it is. Yo, should have already gone, bro. Let me go.
Yo, I go by the name Amy Dawn. I call La Beast, I know the Dawn. I got a door, her name is Ellen Dion. Yo, mama, what's good? Mama, what's good, mama? Mama, I got a song for you.
What you doing?
Mama, I got freestyle for you. Yeah, my name is Sammy Dawn. Hardcore, just like bitch, I know the Dawn. I got a crush, her name Celine Dion. Check my ticket, I just got back from London.
Yeah, London.
Yeah, Nico.
Keep it real, bro.
Yeah, I'm real. Yeah, I know.
Take it easy.
You are.
Mama, how you doing?
What's good?
Thank you, man. Yeah, he's good. You good?
Fucking good, bro. I feel good.
Yeah, so he good.
No. Yeah, I'm good, Nico.
So, where have you been?
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, actually, we went out to cruise, have fun, and make some trouble.
Trouble?
Yeah.
No, now you didn't need to do all that. You know, you don't know anywhere here. Moreover, I don't want anything to happen to you.
Mom, come on, man. Normally, I'm not normal, mommy. Nothing is gonna happen to me. Ezekwesili, number one, the champion. Nothing is gonna happen.
Regular, Nico. I've no more, Nico.
Yeah, Mama.
It's not your name.
Yeah, he's good. You good?
Fucking good, bro.
Yeah,
I feel good.
That's what I'm talking about.
I sing it out, mama.
Whoa.
You, that's my. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Bro,
shit.
this is really good African goodness, yeah?
Yo, you good?
I'm feeling good, yeah. What?
So he's good.
What?
Oh, see your wife tomorrow.
Wow, man. Bro,
you got a wife? Mama, you got a wife?
Yeah,
you got a wife?
I'm getting married.
Woo! Does she have big boots, mama? Does she have big boots? Big boots, long ears, nigga.
Yo.
Yeah, I don't know you got a wife, bro.
Chill, bro.
Yo, I'm chilling.
Take it easy.
I'm chilling, bro.
Got you,
Yeah,
man.
chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, eyes on you, man.
It's around here,
Yeah, he's good, bro. You said tomorrow.
Mm.
Wow. You know, it's funny how I have never asked you. I mean, you never sent a picture of her to me, so I just can't wait to meet her, mama.
Yeah, mama, I'm going to meet her. I'm gonna do some freestyles for her, mama. I'm gonna write a couple of songs. Where's my pen?
Yeah.
You never asked me. Well, she's very, very beautiful.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
She's yeah?
She's beautiful.
I hope she got big buttocks, bro. Big buttocks, big boobs, and some fucking long hairs, yeah?
Well, Mom, just can't wait to meet her. Tomorrow, right? It's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah, we go with that tomorrow. I'm gonna do freestyle for her, mama. I can sing, I can rap, I can dance, I can do whatever to entertain her life, bro.
Nah,
Yeah, Mom.
you're not coming with us.
Oh, whatever my mama says, stays. You ain't coming with us,
Bro, you don't dismiss me for mama. I'm gonna see our new wife, nigga.
Take a chill pill, yo. You ain't coming with us, bro.
No. Who's gonna do the freestyle for her, bro? You know you do not do this shit.
Jackson is gonna do it chill.
Mark Jackson?
Ezekwesili nwa m. Hey! Ofu nwa ka ụmụ ili. Ofu nwa ka ụmụ ili. Nwa m.
You know where you come with that name? Ezekwesili, baby.
See your wife. She is as beautiful as the morning sun. Okogo! As beautiful as the morning sun.
You?
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. I do. I barged into her a few days ago.
You barged into her a few days ago? Can't you tell them how you assaulted me and how proud and arrogant you were to me?
Assault. If it is the proud and the arrogant, it's the swag.
Yes.
Doings.
It's our doings.
Well, that's in the past, you know.
Yes.
That's in the past.
Yes.
This is the present, Mom.
Yes.
Well, Mom,
I
think I like her.
Yes.
You know.
I know
Mom.
what you
They go to your husband. At least welcome him. Hey, the way go.
She is good. She is good. We are going home with this one. Oh, she is good. Baby, you good. Mom, we are going home with this one. She is good. As a matter of fact, she is good. Baby, you good. You good.
I told you. If you go see Pogo ego n'ipu. Ego ya biaba. Ina mu ego.
I like this one.
I told you. Go to your husband. Hug him. Hug him.
No, there's no need.
Hug him. Makwanya.
How are you?
Let's go inside.
Yes. Let's go inside.
Oh, no, not at all. Not necessary. Yes, you see, as a matter of fact, I just want to live with my wife.
Just like that?
Just like that.
I made something for you.
It's good for us to eat in our in-laws'
Yes.
house.
Maybe some other time. All right? Some other time. Right now, I have to be with my wife. Okay? Yes, we have to leave. Okay? Yeah, forget about her bags, everything. We have to leave. Yes, talk to your kinsmen. And I'll talk to my kinsmen. Let's prepare for the traditional marriage. For the road.
Hey! Oh! Hey!
Mama, see the way you're doing it. You saw me the other day, you didn't greet me. Then they are Don't mind me. Don't mind him. Give me.
Is it not my money? Give it to me.
Give you what?
Okay, don't touch it again. Don't touch it again. Stop it. Stop it. Give me. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Say this boy.
Just before we go, let me spray my car. There's some money about it. Too much money. Think of. I am able to carry one.
Only I have to Edu! There's money here. Come and pick us. Tell him
yege kiwani ifunanya mo love mo kaide dudo okwani ifunanya mo love mo eweki yege kiwani ifunanya mo love mo kaide dudo okwani ifunanya.
You know how we roll.
Bro, nigga.
Check this shit out. Check this shit out.
Mama.
Yes, so. Tell him. Check this shit out. Let's roll. This is how we roll. Come on, baby. Walk on body.
Step on it. You
Walk on body. Walk on body. Walk on body, Miko.
for giving you a new
Miko, walk on body. What's the
Mama, you made a good choice. What's that? Pick up. You pick up. I'm a Mimi Dawn. Mimi Dawn don't bend down to pick shit. Yeah, when you want to give a new life, Mama, you made the best choice, nigga. I'm gonna give you some high five. Now. What the fuck? I don't want to give you some Mama, I don't shit like I'm doing. I ain't doing things like a sword. I don't things like I'm doing. When I do things, you know I'm doing. I don't things like I'm doing, Mama. Mama, we read, nigga. Mama, we read, nigga. Fuck with me. Mama, we read, nigga. Mama. Mama. You made the best choice.
Mama, I'm busy with my woman.
The woman, she's beautiful, Mama. Our new wife will gonna give you a new life.
Wow. I know how much. I hope one will not be stolen. Watch you.
I will not have it. Oh yes, I will not. Since I married my wife, she refused me from touching her. I've touched her only once. And that once, I was drunk. Who does that?
Hey! Who does that? Eh? Why would your daughter deny my son of his marital duties? Why?
Chinano, what is the problem? Why? Is there anything you're hiding from us? Just say it now. Talk to me, oh, Guam.
No, there's nothing. It's just that I don't want it. In fact, I hate it. I don't want.
What do you mean you hate it? Wait, so how would you not be able to have children without your husband touching you?
Good question.
No, tell me, how would you be able to make children? I don't understand though that you hate it.
How?
Or is it... Or is it not man enough?
Mama, I'm pregnant and I don't want anybody to come near me. I just want to stay on my own.
You are pregnant? For him. Eh?
Oh, get it,
You are pregnant!
Ha!
She is pregnant! Who does that? Sharpshooter! Baby, I will take you places you only see on TV. Come to Papa.
You see?
Ha!
You see? Oh!
You're carrying my baby. Who does that?
Hey! Since I know one.
Come to Papa.
Go and hug your husband. Oh! Wire. Small.
You're carrying the
Oh! You see? Oh!
Congrats.
Then what? Ogam, take it easy, no?
Why is it taking so long now?
Oh, sorry, baby. Sorry. Here you are. Sorry. So sorry, okay? There you go. Good, right? Yeah. I actually went for the best, you know. How's the baby doing?
Baby's fine.
Huh?
Baby's fine.
Wow. Excuse me. Yeah. I'll be back, okay? Yeah. Badass, how you doing? No, for crying out loud. I don't think Holland will see me soon. You know, it's been a long time I left the village. Oh, no, I won't come until my wife gives birth. Yes, until my wife gives birth to my child, yeah, I'll be here. It's okay. The baddest. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Yes, where were we? Huh? Like I was saying, I will take you places you only see on TV, okay? And I'll butcher. Oh, okay, baby. I'll butcher the world for you, all right? Can I get a peck?
No.
Why?
Baby says no.
Baby says no.
Yes.
And when did baby say that? See, baby, let me tell you something.
Can you allow me eat my fruit in peace?
Oh, sorry.
Did you see her?
Not at all. What's going on? She's nowhere to be found, Mom.
Where could she have gone to?
Silly, Mom. I don't know, but since she came into this house, she's been unhappy with everything and everyone around her.
Where could she have gone to?
I don't know, Mom. With my unborn child?
I think we should check her family house. Who knows, she might be there.
Okay. Okay, Mom.
Let's go. Check if she's the one calling you.
Chinano, why are you not happy in your marriage?
Because I was forced into it.
Can you just let the past slide? You are already pregnant. Huh?
Mama, I came here today to tell you everything and to tell you my plans.
To tell me everything? What are you talking about?
My love.
My in-law.
What understand you. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Who
does that?
I said it.
Uncle.
You're welcome.
Baby, I've been looking for you everywhere. For crying out loud, I've searched and searched and searched. You are nowhere to be found. I've tried your number severally. Your phone is switched off.
How? That is because I am tired of this whole thing called marriage. And I want to say the whole truth today.
What truth? What are you talking about, Ose?
Okay, first off, Mother of the Year. You paid Nnamdi to kill his own brother just because you want your son here to marry me.
What are you talking about?
Excuse me?
Okay, go.
What's good?
What am I talking about?
Go on, mother. She's saying the truth. You tried to blackmail me with a video of my past. Well, you made me take the right step. I already apologized to the girl I molested and gained her forgiveness. I did what I did under the influence of alcohol. And now she has agreed to marry me. See, how pathetic can you be, madam? For you to have thought that I would take the life of my own brother, even after you offered to pay me the sum of 5 million naira.
What?
Well, thank God I made good use of that money.
Nnamdi, I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Listen, Nonso, you need to leave for the city immediately. Please, see, use this money and establish yourself. If possible, start processing our visa so we can leave this country with your love.
This is unbelievable. How do I do this? What of China, no?
Nonso, you need to leave immediately. Look, that woman is very dangerous. You need to leave. There's no time to waste. She will come for you. As for China, no, don't worry. I will explain everything to her. And I promise you that I will take very good care of her. You need to get going. Please.
Hey!
Since we've been communicating, Nonso and I, we've been communicating.
Baba! You paid someone to kill someone?
Because the idiot refused to die.
Hey! Oriako.
You left with my child?
Mama. This woman, she met me along the road and she was saying that she has something to confess. And what's going on?
Yes, I know you. You are Dorcas, the midwife.
Yes, it's me.
What is it?
Dorcas, what is it?
You caused it. You caused it. You caused it. You're the one. You ruined my life. It's you. You ruined my life, Vicky. Please, forgive me. Many years ago, at the hospital when you came to give birth, this woman here also came to give birth the same time, but her child died. And she paid me to exchange the child at the hospital. And I replaced one of your twins with a dead child.
My own child?
Yes.
How? Chima!
But she didn't know the source of the child. Only I know about this. Vicky, you had twins. A boy and a girl. Oriaku does not have a child. Please forgive me. The prophet said if I don't come to confess, I will face calamity.
Wait. Everybody, wait. Are you trying to say that she's my twin sister?
Yes, she's your twin sister. I had to rush back immediately I heard you wanted to marry her.
She's pregnant for me. She's already pregnant for me.
No. I'm not pregnant for you. I'm pregnant for Nonso.
What?
In fact, let me say the truth. The night you thought you slept with me, you actually slept with your maid, Ogechi. So there's nothing between us. What is going on?
How? Dorcas, how could you do this? Dorcas, you did this to me! How? How could you?
How much?
How could you do this?
Huge amounts.
And you did this?
Plenty.
Did you? Do you know what you would have cost?
I am sorry. Please forgive me.
I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you, Oriako.
How come about this? Because, I mean, did you at some point notice anything? Because, I don't know.
I don't know what it was, but I was never attracted to him. There was something unusual that I felt, but I couldn't explain it. Whenever he comes near me, I feel irritated and I couldn't explain it, but it wasn't just right.
Baba!
Hey!
Who does that?
My son. My
Because
son.
of you?
Sorry.
Hey!
Sorry, it's not intentional. It's not.
How much did she pay?
Money.
Hey!
You stop about it.
Papa. Papa. Who does that?
Hey!
Hey! Oriako.
Chinadu, thank you so much for not letting me in. Yes, we could have committed incest.
I don't even know where to start from.
Well, Mom, everything happens for a reason. Yes, Mom, Chinadu, I'll be traveling by next week.
Eh?
Yes.
No. You are not going anywhere.
Why, Mom?
You were taken away from me all my life. And now that you are here, you still want to travel out again and leave me. No, not now. Oh?
This one, they are stopping people from traveling. Yeah, I'm going to travel too. I'm joining my husband in the city. I hope they will not stop me.
You see? She's going to join her husband. Chinedu just traveled with his pregnant wife. And you are planning to leave me. It won't work. Please, you have to stay with me small. Oh? I know you will travel, but not now. You're not going now.
We'll look into that, Mama. Yes.
Please, it's important. Stay with me small. Hey! So you are my son?
Yes, Mom.
One more.
Oh, me, I need hug too. Me, I need hug.
Come here.
Ifunanya mo, love mo. Enweghị ihe ga-esere anyị. Ifunanya mo, oh love mo. Anyị ga-ebi n'udo n'ime ifunanya me, love